What's going on YouTube? I'm Evan, this is Marksman Trading, and welcome to my day trading recap. Today is January 8th, and we're up $14, so it's a solid day, solid start to the week as well. I know it's been a while. I've made any recaps in like a month. A lot of family stuff going on. Also made a lot of changes to my trading. I'm trading stocks and equities now again, along with futures. I ended up failing a prop firm futures account through Apex, but I grabbed another one, so I'm still trading futures. And then I'm still trading the same edge, but with stocks as well. And with my stock trading, I'm risking $10 per trade. In my futures account, I'm risking $50 to $75 per trade. So yeah, let's get into the video. So, as I said earlier, we only took one trade today. We had two opportunities present, but only took one. Unfortunately, we were too slow for the second time our edge was presented on Meta, but we were able to snag $14, 1.4 hour out of Amazon today. So to get started, that market was moving up. We were flying. We're still ripping, actually. We have like an hour 20 left till market close, and we are still at highs. So Amazon, right in the morning, this is the 1 minute chart, by the way, right in the morning, we ripped up our previous day's high, which is the green dashed line. We moved up, then we pulled back into VWAP. Our key level, though, it was VWAP, but it was also pre-market high, which is this blue kind of dashed line right here. And then we had, so that was the first criteria, was the key level, which we had. Second criteria was the demand line, which the 1 minute printed this green dashed demand line right there. And then third criteria was the price action. And here, as you can see, we had a kind of trend join long and also a kind of supply breaking retest because we're breaking this pre-market high and retesting it. And so we also joined the trend on the 5 minute. You can see this bottoming tail that touched the 90 man, the 5 minute, which is the green line right here. Solid bottoming tail to continue the trend higher into VWAP. And so we took it. How I play these is I wait for an engulfing candle on the 1 minute to close back above the moving averages, like I did here, the 9 and 20 on the 1 minute. Then I took it on the retest of these moving averages. So I got in at 9.55 at 147.12. I was accidentally sized in by 2 more shares than I wanted to be, so I took off 2 right away. And so yeah, my stop was at the lows, which was 146.83, which is the low of this 9.52 candle. I took 17 off at 147.38, which was about 1 hour. I took another, I think like a quarter off at 147.61, and then kind of scaled out a couple more once it broke the highs of this highs of the day. So that was that trade. It was a solid trade. The stock actually went like 4 hour at least. I mean, we're still ripping. So a lot of like missed opportunity. I'm still working on maximizing my gains, but that was a solid trade. The second trade, oh, actually one more thing, is what I was looking at but I didn't follow through with was this gap fill. So this is the daily chart. We gapped down on the 4th from the 3rd, and so we filled that gap today. I was seeing we're over this level at like 147.38. I was expecting to move back up to at least the low of this candle to fill that gap, which was 148.33, which we did, but I didn't follow through with it. That was the plan. But I'm not used to holding for that much R. I'm more so like a scalper. So I got to work on that though, because stuff like that is really what maximizes my gains. So the second trade that I missed out on, I was just too slow, unfortunately, was on Meta. And Meta was an inverse head and shoulder setup. So here's the 1 minute chart. We opened up and then moved lower. We fell below previous day's high. And then we came into previous day's close. So that was our key level, which is this white dashed line. We had the left shoulder here, right shoulder here, which is this higher low. We had, I believe it was a 2 minute demand line. Let me double check that. 2 minute demand. Yep, 2 minute demand line down here. So 2 criteria was met. The third one was the price action, and this was a clean inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. I was going to get in after this engulfing green candle at 10.26. I was going to get in at 10.27 on the retest, around like 352.80, probably somewhere around there. I was entering like the stop loss and all that to my share size calculator, but I was just too slow, and unfortunately it moved before I could enter my buy order in. But this trade must have went like 4 hours well. We never saw the lows after that move. So unfortunately missed that. I just need to be faster when it comes to taking my edge and entering in the data to figure out how many shares I can use. Yeah, I think that's everything I want to touch on. I'm still trading futures. So like I said, I failed the prop firm account this past month, unfortunately. but I'm now trading stocks as well. So in my trading journey, I started with penny stocks, then I moved into mid caps, and then large caps and futures. Now I'm doing large caps and futures. My mentor is basically saying how the futures market, the price action on it has been crazy. But with individual stocks, I can be selective with what I pick. There's more opportunities. Stocks have better levels you can play around. The price action isn't as choppy because the futures are basically indexes or indices. So the price action is better on individual stocks, and also there's just more opportunities, and I can be more selective with what I trade. So I'm still looking at the NQ, but I didn't have anything with edge today. Really, we just ripped straight up, shallow pullbacks. I guess we consolidated, but I don't have a playbook to get in on consolidations, so I was just hands off. If my edge isn't there, I'm not going to take it. So I was hands off for the futures account today. And yeah, that's about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. God bless. Peace.